In this video, I will show you how to change distance on Plenty of Fish in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to plentyoffish.com, which is pof.com, and sign in to your account. So once you've gone ahead and signed in, there's a couple ways that you can change your distance. Now the first way to do this is if you come up to the top and hover and click onto your profile. And what you want to do is come down and click onto edit profile. So from here, what you can do is just scroll down the page slightly and you're going to see a location section here. So what you can do is change your distance by simply changing your location. And once you change your location, this is of course going to change the distance. So if you wanted to search further afield, what you can do is put like a city that's further afield into this box, and then save your changes, which is going to display results and change your distance to get different results. Now the second way to do this is from the home screen. You want to come up to the top to the toolbar and click on to search. Then what you need to do is come over to the right hand side, and if you just scroll down the page slightly, you want to come down to the location section, give this a click, and what you can do is search for people within a different mile radius. So you can see by default it's set to 50 miles, but if we go ahead and give this a click, you can see we can change the distance to be, for example, 100 miles, 200 miles, or we can go lower, so like 10 miles for example, and that is another way to change distance on Plenty of Fish. So that is how to change distance on Plenty of Fish in 2024. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.